I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now Sunday mornings I just sleep. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at a God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's standing on. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. And now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a million different reasons. You took the best of my heart and left the rest in peace.